Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have a 3 Hot Wheels monster trucks unboxing. And I got all these trucks from I got these 3 trucks from Target, and I'm going to show you them right now. But first, I'm going to show you the trucks I got, and then I will unbox them individually. So first up, I got the Shark Creek from Case D, I believe. It's from the Hot Wheels Flame series. Very cool. Probably one of the coolest paint jobs they've done. Here's the back. I've basically completed this case. I do have the Donkey Kong. I just never showed it on camera. I'll probably put it in the next sign-up series. I'm not sure. But yeah, so that's pretty cool. And then I found 2 trucks from the SpongeBob series. So I found obviously SpongeBob, the SUV version, because the first one that came out was the 3D body in the main lineup. Pretty cool. And then the other one that I found from the SpongeBob series is Squidward. So yeah, so all I need is Patrick, Mr. Krabs, and Plankton. And probably when I find Patrick, I'm gonna do some voice impressions of Patrick, because I'm actually really good at that. I can also do a little bit of voice impressions of Squidward, so I'll do Squidward last and I'll do some voice impressions for you. So yeah, but we're gonna start off with the Shark Reek. Here is the Crush Car, and here is Shark Reek. Very cool new paint job. I like the flames coming down. So yeah, you got the teeth and you got the orange rims. You got the white there. So basically, I think this is a hot rod theme going on here. So I know this Shark Reek doesn't have a particular name, so I think I'll just call it Shark Reek Hot Rod or something like that. Yeah, I'll call it Shark Reek Hot Rod, because I mean basically it looks like it's basically painted to look like an old hot rod from like the like early 50s, I think. I'm not sure, but either way it looks really cool. So there's that. And then the next one we're going to unbox is the SUV SpongeBob from the Target exclusive series. Alright, here it is. So, very interesting design going on here. So you got the yellow bead locks and black rims. You got a aqua blue roll cage going on here. Funny. It doesn't have the updated drive shaft. I wonder if that's on the Mr. Krabs truck. I'm not sure. Obviously nothing on the front grille, and then you got like some stripes on the top with the bubbles and stuff. Same thing going on here. And then you got SpongeBob with his tongue sticking out. Very cool artwork of SpongeBob on the side. Then another picture of SpongeBob on this side, so very cool. Yeah, so that's obviously really cool. So you got that. Put these on the side here. And then last but not least, we're going to unbox Squidward. Alright, here is Squidward. Very cool. It's using the Chevy C10 body. You got some purple rims, which represent the suction cups, I guess. You got a yellow roll cage. I don't know what that's for, but I think it's probably supposed to represent like the interior of his house. I'm not sure. And then you got the side of Squidward. He's like yelling. Then you got the sponsors on the side. Tailgate. Squidward again. And you got some music notes on the top, because obviously that represents his hobby. He likes to play the clarinet, and he's got like a sparkly aqua greenish blue paint job going on. Yeah, he looks really cool. So I can do a couple of impressions of Squidward real quick. I can try to do his laugh. Yeah, that's the best I could do for his laugh, and then I can do some of the other things he says, like uh, let's see. Oh yeah, now Patrick, mayonnaise is not an instrument. Oh yeah, horseradish isn't an instrument either. He also says, "Hi, I'm Squidward. I'm the most miserable person in Bikini Bottom." Yeah, that's the best I can do for Squidward impressions. Not the best, probably not the best, but I tried. But yeah, so those are the 3 trucks I got today. Yeah, so these 3 trucks will make their Sign Up Series debut in Sign Up Series 20, along with the Bigfoot and the Cyborg Mega-Rex. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a new video. And I will see you guys next time.